Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am happy to say I finally got my Curlbox subscription. I was so happy that I did my wash day along with my daughter using those products. We will be reviewing them and giving you a demo on how we use them. So if you're interested in seeing this, please stay tuned. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so the September Curlbox had the entire line of the ORS olive oil collection products. It had the shampoo, conditioner, a wrapping lotion, edge control, and a pudding. So we're going to be reviewing these products today. We both did our wash day using these products, and we're going to start first with the shampoo. The shampoo was just okay for me. I liked the fact that it lathered well and it had a good smell. Other than that, there was nothing really outstanding about the shampoo.
So I actually like the shampoo. I wish that it had a little bit, it was a little less thick, but it was still really good. I like to detangle my hair while I'm shampooing. But the problem with this is it kind of like slipped. It had too much slip.
Too much slip?
Yeah,
wow.
If these products could just be swapped, like, because the conditioner was like great, but it didn't have enough slip.
That was my problem with the conditioner. Okay, so this conditioner has sweet orange oil in it. You can smell the orange. It was very distinct, but it didn't have any slip. And you will see in my wash day video that I had to use a lot of it. And this is, I don't know if y'all can see how much is left in the container.
And that's just for both of us.
This is both of us, one wash day. I had to use so much conditioner just to get enough slip. And yeah, these I would not be buying these again.
If they would have just switched the consistency for both, they would be great, because the conditioner didn't have enough, so I'd have to apply more to get more slip and like more detanglage going on.
Okay, so she did her style with this wrap set mousse. It's very curly. It's very defined. It held up in the humidity, but somebody didn't want to stay under the dryer for the necessary amount of time. I think you were under the dryer like an hour and a half. Yeah.
I was burnt.
Well,
Happily ever after. So I was burnt.
But it's real cute. It's real fluffy. It's not as straight as it was. It was straighter than this when she went to sleep, but woke up this morning, we had a little freeze going on. But I mean, I think it's a good product. I think it really gave your hair some bounce and shine.
I think that this would be great for a twist out.
You think so?
A twist out on my hair would probably do great.
You should try that. I think I would try it like on the wash and go. I didn't use it this wash day, but I think I'll try it on a wash and go. This is a good product. Will I buy it? No. So yeah, I use this pudding on my wash day. So I did like a wash and go type deal with it. I just added a leave-in and some oil, and then this on top. And this is it's very oily.
Guys, let me show you the real critique of shrinkage is the devil. You see how?
So if you have like type 3, this is good for you, because like my 4A in the back, it gave it a lot of definition. I mean, my curls are popping back here, but my 4B, 4C up top, it's kind of frizzy. So yeah, I wouldn't buy this personally. It's just okay.
I'm gonna go ahead.
I don't even think I'll use it again. You'll probably be using this because I won't.
I love this so much because for thicker hair, it's like it weighs down your curls.
So they say it's great for ponytails, 2-strand twists, braids, updos. Now this would probably be good for like 2-strand twist, like a twist out or a braid out, but you don't want to use too much of it because it is very oily. Like my hair, I don't think I need any more moisturizer in my hair for like 3 days. It's a no for me. I was gonna say I may try with a twist out, but I'm not.
It's an air for me.
And then we have the edge control.
I love this product too.
Now I tried it. I don't really do edges. I tried it a couple of hours ago, and as you can see, my edges are not laid. It just smoothed it down, and it didn't really.
Like, your edges. Yeah.
It didn't really hold. So what does it do? Like it just smooths them out, or what?
Because I did this little part thing because I was like, I need some type of slick, some type of something.
So did it smooth it? Like
it smoothed it.
But you pin it down, so you don't really.
Yeah. It doesn't hold. It's good, but I wouldn't buy this again.
It's like jam.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I would buy this.
But the overall Curlbox, I can
Consensus.
appreciate the fact that Curlbox give you a line of products and not random products from different makers here and there. And there's a theme to the box. I can appreciate that. So this is my very first Curlbox.
Can I say the theme of the box? This month's theme of Good Curlbox was Napoli Ever After. And the movie was great, but these products,
I don't like ORS, so I don't want any more ORS products. But thanks Curlbox, but I'm not happy with my first box, and that's kind of disappointing. She will be using those products because I have no use for them. All right, thanks guys for watching. Bye.